For Science and Art class today, we are continuing with my Healthy Habits series, and in today's class, we are learning about sleeping well. If you like sleeping, this book is perfect for you. Let's go! Time for sleep. Sleep is when we rest. It's when our body and mind takes a break. Being healthy means making the right choices. A right choice might be having good hygiene or eating well. Getting enough sleep is another. During sleep, we slow down. Our body needs this time off. Yet, much is still happening inside us. What do you like to do before bed? Let me know down below. Sleep is when our muscles grow. It's when hurt tissues heal. It's also when hormones are released. Sleep heals our brain too. We're busy thinking when we're awake. During sleep, we relax. Our brain organizes our memories. Sleeping well also puts us in a very good mood. It also improves our attention. Do you ever go to bed early? Some people do before a big test or game. What time do you usually go to sleep? Let me know down below. Ask your doctor how much sleep you need each night. Most school-age kids should get 9 to 11 hours. Setting a schedule will help you sleep well. Stick to the same bedtime. An hour before, turn off electronics. Give your brain time to wind down. Avoid certain foods and drinks before bed. Don't have caffeine, and this includes chocolate. Caffeine keeps people awake. We depend on sleep to stay healthy. Just be sure to set your alarm clock. What are some of your healthy habits? Let me know down below. Now let's go through some of the new words we learned in today's class. The first word is caffeine, which is a chemical found in certain foods that speeds up activity in our body. Electronics are things like games and computers that are powered by electricity. Hormones are chemicals produced by our body that controls the activity of certain cells and organs. Hygiene is keeping yourself clean or other action that supports good health. To relax is to become less active. And finally, a schedule is a plan with a list of events and times. Now it's your turn. What do you think about this healthy book? Let me know down below. And also, share with me some interesting things you learned about sleeping today. Take some time to think about it, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!